Hi, welcome to Dupdub. If your audio doesn't sound as natural as you'd like, the Toolbox offers powerful tools to enhance it. You can adjust pronunciation, modify flow, and add background music to improve audio quality effortlessly. For a detailed guide, watch our instructional video. There are many abbreviations in English. For example, WTO is short for World Trade Organization. You can use the alias feature to let you ensure consistency. It lets you display words with different pronunciations, ensuring accurate subtitles in your exported video.
The World Trade Organization operates under the principles of transparency, non-discrimination.
With the Say As feature, you can choose appropriate pronunciations for numbers and symbols, ensuring clarity in your audio. For example, 12:30 can be said as 12:30 or as 12 to 30.
What time is it now?
12:30.
How is the game going?
There are 10 minutes left until the end of the game, and the score on the court is now 12-30.
If you find the voiceover that says the whole paragraph without taking a breath, you can add some pauses by placing your cursor at specific positions or set your pausing rules beforehand. Music is an indispensable component in audio. Also, there are a large number of music clips for you to choose from in Dupdub. You are also allowed to upload your music.
The World Trade Organization serves as a crucial institution in the realm of international trade, fostering an environment that promotes economic growth and cooperation among member states. The World Trade Organization operates under the principles of transparency, non-discrimination.
Now, you know all the basic functions of AI voiceover in Dupdub. Try it by yourself.